So I'm going to demonstrate the CloudFabrix AIOps solution and how it can help operations for telco networks with IP, MPLS networking. So for the demonstration, we have used a simulator to simulate a network of 5 devices. This is how the topology that we created of the network. It has 3 routers and 2 switches, all of them connected using CDP, and there is a OSPF running between 3 of these routers. Also BGP is running. So what we will demonstrate is the topology, the reports of OSPF BGP, and then we actually would bring down an interface to bring down OSPF link, and we'll show how an alerts are created based on when the link is down and when the alert is automatically cleared, and the instance are automatically cleared when the interface is up again. So this topology, when we discover this topology in our AIOps solution, first thing is you can see that there are 5 devices that are discovered and their connections are shown. This is a mesh CDP, so you see a mesh kind of connection. It is showing by default all types of links that are discovered, but you can go here and select a particular type of link. For example, if you want to just see the BGP links in the network, you can just select the BGP and it shows the BGP topology. Similarly, you can select OSPF and it will show only the OSPF topology, and same at CDP. So the idea is if you want to add more types of topologies, either layer 2, layer 3, or VPNs, MPLS, and so on, we can keep on adding those topologies as well, so that you can look at the same network from different protocols point of view. And it also has other features where this dashboard shows the alerts that are raised when our interface goes down or any other network events, either through syslogs or SNMP or periodic polling. We can listen to all these events and then create the alerts based on different rules. And we also have deduplication of these alerts. So if a particular interface going down is raising multiple alerts, like when a physical interface goes down, it may raise a corresponding OSPF, BGP, and other protocols as well, but all of them have the same root cause, so all of them would be raised to the same incident at that time. This dashboard shows the actual links and their details of, for example, this one shows the OSPF, how many total OSPF links are there in the network, and what kind of state they are in, what is the IP address, local and remote IP addresses of these OSPF links. Similarly, this one shows the BGP. If there are any OSPF or BGP links down, this automatically shows the number of links that are down here and the state of those links as well. And this is a different way of looking the topology. This shows from a device. You can click on any device, either a switch or a router, and then you can search on the devices. You can click on one particular device, and then it shows the details of the device as well as the links from and to the device from its neighbors, and it also shows how the neighbors are connected from this device. So for example, we selected router 1. It shows the immediate neighbors of the router 1. Again, you can select which topology type you want to see, and you can see those topologies by selecting here. So when you select a node in the topology, you can actually get the similar information about the node on the right side, and you can click on a link and you can get the link properties on the right side as well in the topology. Clicking anywhere else in the topology automatically unselects the node. Clicking on a node or a link selects the link and shows the information. So now let's go ahead and bring down an interface. For example, I just want to go to this router. So this has these interfaces, and it has one OSPF neighbor running on the 172.16.0.1, which is the gigabit 1/0. As we see in the topology here, router 1 has one OSPF link to the router 2. So when we bring down the interface, we should see two alerts. One is that a physical interface has gone down, and because of that, OSPF link also has gone down. So there should be two alerts coming on this device because of this link being down. So when we come to here and then we refresh the topology, we should be seeing, as you can see, it shows the number of alerts as a badging on this router. And then you can select the router. It shows there are two active alerts here. And you can actually see what kind of alerts are there. And by going here and seeing the node alerts, it will show that there is a OSPF IP state. Now the latest state is down, and there is a link down, which is basically a physical interface being down. So if we look at this dashboard, if I refresh this dashboard, we should be seeing two active links. And now the other OSPF link is also down on the neighbor as well. So we are seeing 3 alerts. So these two are coming from 105, which is our router 1. And then this one is coming from its neighbor OSPF. And the idea is all these alerts would be correlated to the same incident, so that because the root cause of all these incidents are same. So if you click on the incident, it will show what kind of alerts are associated with that incident. Now, if I go ahead and then bring it up, so all the alerts that should be cleared because the interface is going to come up and the OSPF is going to come up as well. So you would see that if I come here and refresh the topology, you should see all of them clean without any alert badging on the nodes. As you can see, the alerts are clear because I brought up the interface, and OSPF is also back up now. So if I go to this page and then refresh it, these alerts would be cleared as well. So as you can see, the alerts are now cleared as well. Same thing with the topology. And so if I click on this incident would eventually be cleared in a minute or so. And because all the alerts that are attached to the incident is cleared, it will automatically get cleared as well. So basically what we have seen is using CloudFabrix AIOps solution, how we see the different types of topology, how the discovery happens of these networks, and how the topologies are created. And when any SNMP trap or a syslog comes based on any thing that's happening on the network, we automatically create alerts based on the severity. And then we show those number of alerts in the topology, and we correlate those alerts with the topology and show what kind of alerts are there. And we also correlate these alerts and create one or more tickets based on if they all belong to the same root cause in this. And then we also saw that there are different ways of looking at how you can see the OSPF and BGP information, and we can extend this to other protocols as well. So as you can see, it extends to, you can see that there are what kind of BGP and OSPF circuits are available. And also there is different ways of navigating through the devices and looking at the topologies as well. Thank you very much.